In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Wix in just 5 minutes, allowing your content to look clean and professional on your website. Justifying text can be particularly helpful for maintaining a symmetrical look on your site, especially if you desire a more formal appearance, or if you're balancing various elements on a page. Now, let's dive into the process starting from scratch. First, begin by logging into your Wix account to access your site's dashboard. If you're not already familiar with your dashboard, it's essentially your central hub for managing the overall aspects of your website, from site settings to design elements. Once you're comfortably within your dashboard, look for and click on the Design Site option. This will direct you towards your design interface, where most of the magic happens in terms of visual adjustments and enhancements. After you click on the Design Site, you're going to move into the heart of your Wix experience, the website editor. This is where you can make all modifications to your site's content, layout, and design elements. Within the Wix editor, navigate to the specific section or page that contains the text you want to justify. Identifying the right area before making edits can save you time and ensure accuracy in your designs. Next, highlight the text you wish to justify. To do this, simply click and drag your cursor over the text. Highlighting the text allows you to apply changes specifically to the selected segment, so it's crucial to ensure you've got everything covered that you intend to alter. Once the text is highlighted, look for the Edit Text option. By selecting Edit Text, you open a toolbox of options that concern the text's appearance, such as font type, size, and of course, text alignment. Within this text editing toolbox, look for the alignment icon. It might appear as a symbol with horizontal lines. Click on it, and you will see a drop-down menu. From the available options, select Justify. This will uniformly distribute the text spacing so that it lines up evenly along the left and right margins, giving a polished and neat appearance to your paragraph. Once you've made your alignment changes, it's smart to see how it looks on an actual live preview of your page. Click on Preview to examine your page with the justified text in place. This step helps ensure everything looks as expected and provides an opportunity to make any necessary tweaks before finalizing your design.